What it do, 187 Airsoft. What I'm about to show and talk to you about is strictly for educational purposes only. So take it as you could. But so I've been away for a while, you know, doing a little stuff here and there. So what I have now that I'm going to get to is I have my new 5th gen. So for you all, it is empty. None is in the head. Always make sure when you working on a gun, there's no ammo around. All right, point in the same direction. It's empty. So this right here is what I call Gucci, as you can clearly see. Let's see if we get in the camera. But it got the Gucci logos with the B on it. I have a 24 karat gold extractor. As you did see, I did gold in the inside. Also, I have a Turn Technical extended mag release, the whole kit, extended pull down leather, as well as the mag release and the pins. So this is my range gun. I'm going to build it out with you guys. I'm going to try to get windows cut right here on the side, as well as on this side, as well as on the top. And you're going to see why. So let's get away from this for a second. We're going to talk about the video. So I was at a little gun show. I had some people reach out to me, and I'm going to try this out for the first time. But let's see. We got this ZP barrel. Precision barrel, and we're gonna test it out to see how it looks. Then we're gonna get some range footages and see how everything works. So we're gonna experiment when you first get it. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna disassemble the Glock. So I learned this from a guy. You take it like this, your hand, you grab across it, quarter barrel, both of them down, and then you walk it off. And just like that. So I still have more gold parts for this one. I want have my trigger. I want to get a gold tungsten guide rod. This plunger, safety plunger, will be gold, as well as the striker spring. But there you go. So let's disassemble this. All right. And here you go. That's your stock barrel. Look like 007. So it's pretty much, it's a good barrel. But let's see how this does. All right. In the same way you disassemble, remove the primary barrel, you do the same thing with this reinstallation. There's a lot of lubrication on it. I'll drop that in. All right. You install the spring. Drop it down on the second part. And here you go. I did get a threaded one. So let's put it on back onto the frame. Boom, have it on. And there we go. It's not nothing in the head, so as you remember, it was all empty. So we have that done. Now, what my next thing is, I have my my firearm I keep with, I tote with me as well on my EDC when I'm at work. And that one is a 5th Gen 19. Went with the green on it. And as you see, I named him Louis. So you got Louis and Gucci. Once again, I have Glock night sights, glow-in-the-dark sights. That came on the firearm already. It's on both. This one has a little bit of work done to it. The plunger spring has been lightened, as well as the guide rod connector. The guide rod connector in the inside it has my signature one, which I had a laser ingress with Ghost on it, but it's a 3.5. So this one right here, as you can see, it's empty. We're gonna check it. Everything is empty. As you can see, watch the trigger pound on this one. The trigger pull is so light and crisp. Look, so that's the wall. That's it. And then watch the reset. Right there. So this is very crisp, very precision, very precise. Have a flashlight on it. So what I will be doing to this one is a little bit more stuff. Green trigger. I want to get this stippled. I'm gonna do a window cutout as well on this. Probably go with like a hexagonal shapes, patterns all over it. And that's my EDC. As you can see, I did the magazine as well. For the gold one, I did the magazine as well with the gold numbers on it. So let's bring Gucci back out. So this one I want to do a few things still got left. Tungsten guide rod, trigger mechanism, and I will bring you guys along when I get another, that one has a 3.5 pound connector. So this one I'm gonna do a 3 pound connector on this one. And I'm gonna do that gold plunger up top. This one, this is my range gun. I do have a 50 round drum. We'll be getting another one on the way. So that's what I have done thus far. And as you can see, the Glock logo on the night sights. So they glow in the dark. So see if I get them to glow for you guys real fast. Pull them underneath this LED. And let's see if we can get this light off. And there you go. So, guaranteed to get your sight picture even at nighttime. But I will be, I like this one a lot. So when I had got my 19 5th Gen, I wasn't aware of the 45. So when I had got my 19, for it to fit comfortable in my hand, because you can see I got a big hand, so as you can see it goes down. So I had to put the extension on my magazine, just so, see, now my hand fits on there with no problem. 2 hands, even got a resting part, keep it down. And also with this at the bottom, also gives me 2 additional rounds. So my 15, instead of 15 plus 1, now it holds 17 plus 1. So my 19 holds 18. And my 45, I have one for this one also as well. So it makes it have 19 plus 1. So my 45 hold 20. And I also have extended mags that I'll show you in an upcoming video. I have drum mags. So stay posted. And I noticed that we have a lot of new subscribers here with us. So I have firearms as well as airsoft replicas of the firearms. So if you have any questions about either, recommending a Glock or any airsoft ones, I do have knowledge, a lot of knowledge about that. So feel free to contact me. I do reach out and get back as fast as possible. And hopefully, probably, so I see if we can get one of these rifle ones put on there or something. That'd be sick. But try to get one of them. You want the rifle? Got that one right here. And I also have another one right here too. Little compensators. But like, comment, share, subscribe. So let's see if we can get these numbers up before January. See if I can get up to like at least, let's say 500 subscribers, maybe 1,000. At 1,000, I will be doing a giveaway. So we'll figure that out and see, would it be airsoft related, or, you know, must be 18, at least 17 and older. So for me to send you any airsoft products or any other stuff that you might win. So until next time, stay safe.